of youth, Yasabala Vargas, running for the position of SPO Senator under the banner of Samasao, which means Samahan ng Masa Estudyante, in the leadership of SFC President Samantes and SFC Vice President of Alfredo Bacayong Jr. I found out my youth in this field because I became an officer in one of the sub-organizations of SPO organization. And while I'm in this organization, I had made one objective in myself. And now, I am running for the position of SBO Senator. I want to pursue my objective na magkaroon ng boses ang mga mag-aaral ating departamento for them to be able to say freely kung ano ang sinasa loob patungkol sa mga bagay na may kaugnayan sa organisasyon ng ating mahal na departamento. For us to be able to have an organization with unity and give importance in the idea and opinion na sinasakupan nito. And I am here willing to be your voice. I'm not here in front of you to say flowing voice and practice many things that I know myself that I cannot do. I want you to know all that I will do my very best for me to become a responsible and efficient SPO Senator. Once again, please don't forget to write my name on your ballot, Yasabal R. Vargas for SPO Senator and my co-candidate. Thank you.